Hi everyone. If you are a WordPress developer and you use the Elementor Page Builder, you may have faced the issue of not being able to add an intersection inside another intersection. At first, it seems like nesting sections in Elementor go only one level deep. However, in order to create a complex layout, you need this functionality to go deeper. Today I am going to show you how this can be done, and it works with both versions, the free one and Elementor Pro. As an example, I will show you how to create the layout you see on screen. My name is Nick, and I am on the team at WPGoPro.com. We assist you with improving your WordPress skills so you can make more money for yourself, your clients, and your business. If you haven't already, please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Also, give the video a thumbs up so Google knows it was helpful to you. Let's get started with the video now. Okay, let's add to the page a two-column section. In its left column, I added an intersection element. Now I am going to copy the left column of the section together with its content. Next, I am going to paste it inside the left column of the intersection. As you can see, it works. Now the intersection consists of 3 columns, and the one in the middle has an intersection inside. Of course, you are able to delete columns that you don't want to keep in the final layout. With this method, you may go as deep as you want, although going further to 2 levels may be difficult to handle. Now I am going to create the layout you see on the screen. Let's add to the page a two-column section. In its right column, I added an intersection element. I am going to copy the right column of the section together with its content and paste it into the left column of the intersection. Now I am deleting the left column of the intersection. I am adding another intersection just below the first one. I am adding a call to action element here in the left column of the section. Now, I am going to add a countdown element under the call to action element. I am doing a little formatting on the call to action element, so it seems like a New Year's sales label, and the button reads Shop Now. Let's now add a call to action element to the left column of the intersection. With a little formatting, I am getting rid of the text and the button. Now, I make sure both the column and the call to action elements have 0 margins and padding. I am assigning a picture to the call to action element, and then I am duplicating it and moving it to the right column here. Again, I am checking both margins and paddings to be 0. I am adding another call to action element in the right column. I am doing the same styling, and I am assigning a picture as I did before. Now, I am duplicating the right column and moving the duplicate to the left. Again, checking the margins and padding to be 0. I repeat the same steps for adding content in the right column. Finally, I am changing a few pictures so my layout looks nicer. I am also changing the picture of the call to action element inside the left column. I am checking margins and padding. Now I am adjusting the height of the picture so both columns are aligned. Let's change this picture as well. Click on Update, and let's check how this page looks live. Okay, this is how it looks so far. It seems something is wrong with the countdown element. I am going to delete it and replace it with another one I have here in my elements library. I set up the date to expire to be on New Year's Eve. Let's take another look at the page now. Let's reload the page. Okay, now it works, but it needs some styling. So back to the dashboard for the changes. Click Update, and check the page one more time. It looks like it needs a few more changes, so let's make them. Okay, although we could further improve it, now it looks better, and I guess that's enough for this tutorial. So, this tutorial is now complete. If you liked this video and you don't want to miss my weekly videos related to WordPress and business online, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Also, leave your comments below. My name is Nick, and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Have fun with it till next time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and health.